So guys, have you been searching for a working method on how to get V-Rising for free? Well, I just spent the last few hours this morning trying tons of different methods, and the reason I'm bringing you this video and tutorial is because I managed to find a working method to get it, guys. So let's get into the tutorial and let's get you V-Rising for free. Okay guys, so let's get into the tutorial portion of this video and show you how you can get V-Rising for free on PlayStation or PC/Steam. Super easy. I discovered this method a month ago, yeah, I've just done it for PlayStation 5, so I'm going to show you how to do it yourselves. So you need to use your mobile phone and open up the internet. Make sure you have an internet connection, of course, and go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So just type it like this, guys, to go to Top Dog Codes. This is an awesome website, and they've saved me so much money in a pretty short period of time, to be honest, because they have loads of the popular websites for coupon codes, but they also have some of the latest games that give you free digital game codes. So hit the search and type in V-Rising. So just type it like this, guys, to find the free game code for V-Rising. So just navigate your way to this page on Top Dog Codes, guys. Now you can see these game codes are limited in number. So I've already done this for PlayStation 5. So like I said, I'm not going to run through the entire process because they are limited. But what you're going to need to do, guys, is choose your platform. So you can get it for PlayStation consoles or PC or Steam, and then click show code. Now you need to unlock your personal game code because this game is pretty expensive. So as you can imagine, these limited codes would get stolen by people who create robots to take all of the codes. So you do need to unlock your personal code. This basically limits one code per person. So sorry guys, so to do that, tap unlock code. Now when this gets to the end, like I said, I've already done this, so I don't want to do it again. But when that gets to the end, it's going to show you a new screen and it's going to tell you how to get your code. You need to verify yourself as a real person, like I said, and not some sort of robot looking to take all of the codes. And once you've done that, it will unlock your full code. So it does take about 5 minutes to verify yourself. Just complete a couple of these like free tasks. And once you've done that, guys, your code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into numbers and characters. I've already done this. I've actually redeemed this code in the PSN store and it started downloading the game, and now I've got a full copy of V-Rising for completely free. Pretty easy, guys. Go to topdogcodes.com, search for this V-Rising page, click on show code, unlock your code, verify yourself, and that is how you get it for free. I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, leave a comment below, let me know what you think of the game, and I'll see you in the next one.